Today we are going to be tearing apart a very crispy motor. As you can see, the lifter trays are completely melted. The sensor, little doohickey thing, is melted. It's melted. Let's get started. Now the best way to get these MDS sensors off, just give them a little whack.
To finish. You're supposed to be a ladies' man. No, okay. Oh, okay. Did I not have a... What are you missing? This guy right here.
Hey man, that motor got a little crispy.
That motor got a little damn crispy there.
It got a little bit crispy.
That like KFC or is that like Burn FC?
KFC. For sure.
Did this car just smell it? I don't know if you're allowed to say that on YouTube. I don't think you are.
You said the R word, man.
I said the R word.
We're about to get canceled already.
Got the damn
melted in there.
I was about to say something outside about the people outside cutting something, then I realized it might be racist. No, You already hit him? I already whacked him with that, man. Well, stop prying on him. Wiggle him. Wiggle and jiggle and they'll come out for nickel.
What do you call me?
Huh, I ain't call you nothing. What?
And then you just kind of step in front of it like I apologize.
It did a little bit crispy.
Get a little bit of a motor up. Yo, the cam's good. There's no metal on the VVT solenoid. It's alright. They sure did, but they'll pop right out. We can use the cam, right? That one's fine. Take that one out. Go ahead. Take it out.
I did in one piece.
Jesus Christ.
That's good for another 500,000 miles.
Yeah, give about another 5 seconds.
Look at that accent come from.
He's trying to act like he's not from Bone Music.
He's trying to exaggerate like he's from
It's full of the video.
Is there?
No. It got hot though. The top of the lifter is dark.
I can't believe it's not.
The top of the lifter is darker than the bottom.
These are the bad ones. My trash pile's over here.
Do it look like I give a damn where your trash pile is?
I can't believe these aren't dead.
They're all scorched. You see them?
Yeah.
The cam got so hot that all the rollers are scorched. And this thing stinks. I wish we could do a, what is that, a fort? What? Yo!
Was that the bear?
Yo, it fell apart.
No way.
The MDS lifter just fell apart.
The cup came out? Ooh, that's not. Ooh. That means the locking ring is. Wait, is the locking ring gone?
It's still there.
Oh my god.
It got so hot it expanded it enough for it to fall out.
That's awesome.
That's crazy.
I love it.
That's the one that was crispy, actually. That was the part where it was hot. That's crazy.
Well, can you stop?
No, I can't stop. Okay.
I don't take you for a preacher, man.
I'm surprised these lifters aren't wet. What did you just say?
Maybe we can clean them up with some spring cleaner and resell them.
No.
No.
Yeah. Brand new. Box.
Look at the heat around it.
Yeah, that's bad.
It's scorched. Jesus Christ.
The springs on the head, burnt to
Yeah, and 3 of the valves are bent.
And 4 of the pistons are absolutely
Absolutely.
this one and these 2 right here.
So what do you think about the motor there? Huh, Austin?
It's reusable.
It's reusable in your books.
Nah, make it a table.
You're fired.
I don't
unless it warps it. I don't know how to get it.
I feel like it might have warped.
Austin, you ain't know.
He said the only thing I'm used to being warped is my feelings.
I'm getting bullied. Got my heart broken by
Females a little bit.
transgender Latina.
I don't talk to her no more.
You don't talk to me no more?
No. Why?
Because he realized we were right.
Motherfuckers got me tripping. Motherfuckers got me tripping. Alright, listen.
Just because it talked to you and it looked like it could have been a female at one point in life does not mean that it wasn't a man at one point in life.
Yeah, whatever.
I'm not saying there's something wrong with that, but if that's what you're into, then that's what you're into.
That's not what I'm into. But I appreciate
You want me to see the Elliot
Hey,
thing?
he'll do some strange things as long as it don't have a dangling.
Hey, I'm busy this week. You should come over.
Oh.
The sensor got a little hot.
The sensor got a little.
Just me.
The Jeep does not have that many miles on it.
Yeah, just whoever owned it didn't give a fuck about it, obviously.
That's one of those, hey, my car's overheating, I gotta get some.
Dude, it smells so bad. Like, holy shit.
Oh my god! Tristan, look at this. Look at the tensioner. Oh my god. Tensioner melted.
No. Oh,
Is there-
shit, no.
okay.
You see what happened? The plastic expanded so much and pushed out, and the chain ate it.
Yeah, the chain ate it.
Okay, before
But
I-
it also got hot enough that it.
Before I continue, is there anything worth salvaging other than...
Oh,
Doesn't matter. We want to see what happens.
bruh. The tensioner doesn't move anymore.
Jesus.
Sick. Wow. Wow.
That's crazy. I told him this motor got hotter than that one.
Why is it
It's gonna go right.
focusing over there?
It's gonna go right on his butt
Yeah, it's
cheek.
kind of split.
Drop something.
I'm gonna leave it dead.
Oh my god. That's a lot. Look at all the shavings. Look at the chunks. Hold on, where's the light? All of the lights. There's so much metal. There's so much metal everywhere. And it stinks.
How dark that shit is. It's fucking crazy.
Hold on, let me get that.
Tensioner is messed up.
Alright, so as you guys can see, we got the motor mostly torn apart. Well, Austin got it tore apart. This was mostly a learning experience for him, but we also wanted to see if there was anything salvageable. The only thing that could be reused that tested is still functioning was the phaser and really the chain. I mean, everything else was destroyed, and even those items we probably won't even reuse. But we wanted to give him the experience and the time to go ahead and tear an engine apart so he can kind of learn the components, learn what they're doing. As part of his internship here with us, Austin has come along and he's gonna continue to keep progressing with us. If you guys haven't done so already, subscribe, like, share the video, and we'll catch you guys on the next build. As you see, there's many Mopars behind him and around him. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Night and Day Performance is signing off. This motor is complete trash.